Hi, my name is Marlene. I'm a sexual and reproductive health youth advocate. I also sit as a youth advisory panel member for Girlfect, and I'm a businesswoman. I sell jewelry online. A bold step that I've taken that changed my path is learning to walk in grace and in love, and that is extending grace to myself and also others, and knowing that nobody has it figured out, including myself, and I'm doing life for the first time, goodness. So it's to be easy on the pressure. One thing that I've achieved that I thought was impossible, I think, is taking the step to start. Should I call it a hustle? I knew I wanted to do something online that would earn an income. I know for sure I don't want to be an influencer, but I knew that I have the potential and I know how to draw people close to content, anything, if that makes sense in any way. And so I started my jewelry business, and the one mistake that I made is listening to other people who have gone before me and how the experiences have been. And so I went in with fear, but then my experience is different and I'm loving it so far. I think I look at myself as a fierce woman. I've shown up when I didn't feel like. I have given out when I didn't have. I have spoke to people when I needed someone to speak to me. And so I see that as a strength, just learning to show up, not always, but showing up when I'm needed, and even showing up for myself. I think I used to sabotage that a lot. And I just learned to have the power within me to have conversations with myself and to speak reality to myself. And so in the mirror, every time I affirm myself that we're doing it. The thing that I will tell my 15-year-old self is that unfolding is uncertain, but it's necessary. And growth comes with challenges, and sometimes the path does not seem clear. And that is the beauty about life. Everything that has worked out in my favor. And the fears that I had were valid. The scare that I felt was valid. And that is what has shaped the woman that I am today. So my 15-year-old, if she knew she would be here today, I think it would have eased the tension, but everything was necessary to bring me to this point. I think I've done these videos where I appreciate women so much, and I don't think of this woman, but there is one woman who is largely known in my community. She's called Christine. I think everyone has, okay, by everyone I mean majority of the young girls in the community have passed through her hands. She used to work with LV City Health then. I think she was a programs officer or something, but I think this woman did a lot in shaping the woman that I am today. She gave me the courage to step into spaces that I felt I was disqualified. She gave me the opportunity to go back to school and learn and understand the importance of education. And she also opened up doors in one way or another for so many girls in my community, and me being one of those girls. Hi Christine, this International Women's Day, I really want to celebrate you for the effort that you put in my community and in me as an individual. I think that you did so much and you're still doing so much for young girls, and I just want to celebrate you and thank you for choosing that path of life, because some of us in our spheres of influence wouldn't have made it this far. And you making us believe in ourselves, I think, was one of the greatest things that you ever did. So thank you so much. I celebrate you.